right, good afternoon. It is June 4th, 2024. Welcome to the Thurston County Board of County Commissioners public hearing regarding animal control-related fees and charges. The purpose of this public hearing is to accept and consider public comment related to the proposed ordinance amending Thurston County Code Section 910040E to authorize setting animal control-related fees and charges by resolution and to update the Thurston County Animal License Fee Schedule. This is a hybrid public hearing. Those wishing to testify will have joined by Zoom, by phone, emailed in comment, or mailed in comment. If you wish to testify, please visit the Thurston County homepage online and select BOCC meetings, hearings, and work session agendas. The information to join this public hearing remotely is posted there. If you do not wish to testify but would like to listen and follow along, please watch the live stream through the Thurston County YouTube channel to help us manage attendance. Nicole Martinez, Budget Manager, will provide information on this topic. Assuming anyone on Zoom wishes to testify, your name will be read aloud after folks in the boardroom have given their testimony. You will have 4 minutes. Time may not be given to another person. When you are called on, please state your name and address for the record. Public hearing is now open. Nicole will present information on the application, written comments submitted, posting requirements, and any additional information requested by the board.
Thank you, Chair. Good afternoon, Commissioners. Nicole Martinez, Budget and Fiscal Manager. Thurston County Municipal Code Chapter 910, Animal Control, was enacted for the purpose of regulating the keeping of dogs and other animals within the county's unincorporated areas. Section 40 establishes animal licensing and registration fees. The public hearing today is to amend Chapter 91040, Section E, licensing and registration requirements. The proposed change to the code allows for annual licensing fees to be established by resolution of the Board of County Commissioners. If after the hearing the board deems it to be in the public interest to amend County Code 91040E, the board may accept the amendment of the animal licensing fee schedule to take effect January 1st, 2025. The fees, charges, and penalties collected are budgeted to assist in defraying the expenses of enforcing animal control regulations. The Thurston County animal licensing fees are not consistent with surrounding jurisdictions. The changes in the fees included increase the annual licensing fee for dogs which are not sterilized to $4 more, the annual licensing of dogs which are sterilized, which are under 6 months of age, increasing that $4, and then also the annual licensing fees for cats that are not sterilized, increasing that by $2, and the annual licensing of cats which are sterilized under 6 months of age, increasing that by $2. We have not received public comment on this item, and so thank you, Commissioners. At this time, I'll entertain any questions.
Questions? Nicole, you said the dogs and other animals, but when I was looking at the code, it said dogs and cats.
That we are amending the fees for, yes, sir. That is correct.
But I mean, in terms of who is required to be licensed?
Yes, so in the current municipal code, it does outline cats and other animals and dogs, but right now for amending the actual fees, it's just to dogs and cats.
If you have, I guess my question is, what other kind of animal besides a dog or a cat has to be licensed?
I would have to look at the code, sir, to give you that answer.
But we're not changing that piece of it, really.
We are not.
We're really just looking at the fee schedule.
That is correct. We're taking the fee schedule out of the code and putting it into a resolution to be adopted.
And then it can be amended more easily.
That is correct.
Got it. Commissioner Edwards.
Yeah, and it'll also be standardized throughout the county and all the jurisdictions, is that right?
That is correct.
And that'll make it easier on the bookkeepers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions for Nicole? Okay, then we will take public testimony if there is any in the boardroom. I don't see anyone here to give testimony. I don't see anyone on Zoom. So
How about public comment?
We did not receive any public comment.
So I would contemplate a motion. Well, we can discuss this issue before we close the public hearing. Is there any discussion? No discussion. Is there a motion to close public hearing?
I move to close the public hearing.
Second?
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion carries. Public hearing is closed. Now, we have before us a ordinance to amend Code Section 910-040E. Do you want to speak to that, Nicole? Or you already did?
I already did, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
then we just need to have a motion if we're ready to take
That is
action.
correct.
I move to approve the ordinance amending code section 910.040E to authorize setting animal control-related fees and charges by resolution of the Thurston County Board of Commissioners and update the Thurston County Animal License Fee Schedule.
Second.
Any more comments?
Second, and a motion and a second to approve the ordinance amending the code section. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? And then the resolution is separate.
Yes,
This
sir.
actually update, so that allows us to update the fees, and now
That's
we can
correct.
go ahead and update the fees. Is there a motion regarding the resolution to update the fee schedule?
I move to approve the resolution to adopt the updated animal licensing fee schedule to take effect January 1st, 2025, including Exhibit A, Thurston County Animal License Fee Schedule.
Second.
Motion and second to update the licensing fee schedule. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Thank you.
Any opposed? Motion carries. And we're adjourned. Thank you.
That's about as quick as.